crazy, bro. Oh, fuck. Sup guys, welcome back to the Doza Vlogs YouTube channel. Now today, it's a bit of a hard video for me to make, I'm not gonna lie. At first, I wasn't gonna use any of this footage, but I think the time has come. And I think the best thing I can do is try and get something positive and try and make a cool video at least, or a good video at least, out of a negative situation. So that's exactly what I'm doing today. 5 months ago, I got into an accident with my C63 and I crashed my C63 into my friend's GTR. My first ever fucking accident I get into, and I crash into a fucking R35 GTR. So yeah, that's that. So back in May, me and the bro that I know was gonna go take a photo shoot with his R35 GTR, and we were driving into Richmond. We were taking some shots on the highway, and then we drove into Richmond, and I made a huge fucking mistake. Now the footage I'm about to show you guys makes me look like a fucking terrible driver. I promise you I am not, alright? I made a huge mistake. I was not focused very well, I will own up to that. I was so hyped from the bro's car shooting fucking flames and shit. It was sick, but it was not sick crashing into the fucking arse end of him. So he came up to a roundabout, stopped, I was coming up behind him, and I was wearing big fucking chunky Jordan 4s, which aren't the best shoes to drive in. I do not recommend driving in fucking Jordans. And I went to slam my foot on the fucking brake pedal, and instead of doing that, my foot went in between and hit the accelerator and barely hit the brake pedal, and revved first gear straight up into the bro's GTR, and it was not good. If you already knew me before my crash, my C63 was my fucking baby. So obviously I had it fully insured. Now the reason the process took so long and why it's taken me so long to actually make this video after the situation was because the insurance company literally took 2 fucking whole months to give me a response on my insurance claim. So my car was just sitting at the storage lot for fucking 2 months while they were just processing my claim, all fucked up and undrivable. So that was great. So I'm not gonna get into it, but they declined the insurance claim because of some fucking ridiculous reasons that had nothing to do with the accident at all anyways. We'll forget about that. Now, I hope you guys enjoy the very extremely embarrassing footage, because this takes a lot for me to release this footage for all of you guys to watch. I couldn't even look at this footage until like 2 or 3 months after the actual accident happened, because it was just too painful for me to look at. But now some time has passed, I've grown out of the situation, I can finally have it in me to look at the footage and release it to you guys, for you guys to enjoy, because that's what I might as well do. Situation's been and gone, Merc's repaired, got that fucking old piece of shit there. So we might as well come to a conclusion and release this footage for you guys to enjoy. Enjoy my pain. Crazy, bro. That thing's quick, bro. That thing is quick, bro. Bro, I'm so sorry.
Fuck up. How'd that happen?
Bro, my foot hit the wrong pedal. Fucking rip. Bro. I can't believe I did that. These fucking shoes are the most horrible shoes for driving ever. Never again.
Did you show
Oh,
it to
it's
the
that
second?
fucking hose, bro.
You would do right here though.
Oh, she's hooked, man. I have to get a towing. All I can do is get it on film.
Oh, that sucks, man.
Fuck, bro. Good way to ruin the day. I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. It took a lot for me to put it out publicly. I learned a lot from the situation. Definitely something I'm never gonna allow to happen again. That's for sure. Definitely changed insurance companies, that's also for sure. Also, a huge thanks to Tony and the team at Sun City Panel and Paint. It looks brand new, you can't even tell that it got damaged. So if you guys need any panel work done on any of your guys' cars, be sure to check them out. I highly recommend them. I'm going for a South Island road trip to Queenstown and then back up through the west coast. So stay tuned for some epic content coming in the near future. Our South Island road trip's going to be pretty cool. We've got lots of things planned for that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.